Hey there, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have an issue with the SUV, a Mercedes ML430. For some weird reason, just this morning I was gonna go out fishing. He went into limp mode. I mean, he was stuck on one gear and it won't go, won't change gear or shift gear. So somewhere on the internet, where this guy says all you gotta do is uncap your gas tank and recap it again, make sure it's tight. There you go. And then drive it around, see if it'll go out of the limp mode. Alright, let's do that. See if that really works. Here we go. Alright, let's check it out. Driving it around the neighborhood. Yeah, it did go out of limp mode. Now it's shifting. Oh my god. What the hell? So I don't need to change the shifter. So that is amazing. What? That was an easy fix. Let's do it driving around. Put my seatbelt on. Hang on. Take it on the straightaway. But so far it shifted. See, it's shifting. It's shifting. Oh my god. Let me show you. Alright. Let me show you right here. You hear that? It's shifting. That was weird. You can hear it shifting. There it is, see? It is shifting. So he says, the guy says it had something to do with the vacuum. So let's go try it. We are driving it. See, it's shifting. 2. Yep. 4, yeah, it shifted. 5, 6, yeah, up. It's shifting. Alright there guys, so this is a 2001 ML430. Like I said, it was in limp mode this morning. I saw the video. He said just take the fuel cap off and put it back on, make sure it's tight, and sure enough, it works. It's not in limp mode anymore, and I'm driving it. There's proof right here, right there. It's shifting. Well, I hope you you learned something new here, and thank you for watching.